Hey everyone, it's Keshante Chantel and welcome back to another video. If you've been here before and you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me again. And if you've never been here before, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we are doing a huge haul. So I've got some amazing pieces that I want to show you today. There's some things that I've been wanting for a very long time that I was able to get my hand on. I've waited at least a full year for two of these items. I just want to go ahead and jump straight into this video so that I can show you all these amazing things that I picked up. Okay, so if you like to shop on budget and you are like me, you just like handbags and you like shoes, then TJ Maxx is going to be the place for you, girl. So I was able to stop by TJ Maxx and I got me some bags because I needed some. I really don't have I do have a lot of purses, but I don't have new in-season purses. And I started noticing that a lot of my purses were the leather on them was starting to wear. So I thought, I haven't brought myself a bag in a long time, so why not just go get you the ones that you want. When I saw this bag, I just was like blown away. Like, look at it, it is so beautiful. Look at the gold hardware with the S and the M for Steve Madden. You have the gold hardware on the little tassels. The bag is made of like this straw and leather, and it's like in the bucket style. It's so gorgeous. And if you've seen the tote bag from, what is the brand, Marc Jacobs, then you're very familiar with this strap. So I see a lot of brands are starting to incorporate like this thick luggage strap, because I see this on luggage bags all the time. But I just thought it was so beautiful. Of course, you have the option to wear the brown strap by itself. I wanted to take this brown leather strap off, you can, and just wear it like this by itself. Or if you wanted to take this off, you can. The bag holds a lot of stuff, which I love. All right, so I really wish that I was able to show you guys what's on the inside of the bag, but there's a couple pockets where you're able to put like your maybe lipstick, your wallet, but the bag itself is big enough to where you can put just about anything in it. And this purse from Steve Madden was only $29.99. To me, that is a steal. But if you are into designer, girl, if you're into designer, TJ Maxx also has those options, because I was able to pick up this cute little fanny pack from Michael Kors. This bag, if I can stand up and just kind of show you guys, this is what it looks like. OMG, wearing this bag with like a really cute black dress, something fitted, is just gonna be, it's gonna be where it's at for the summertime, with some really nice sandals. And I did see some Michael Kors sandals that matched this today, and they were only $59, but I didn't get them because they didn't have my size. This was only $24.99. Now the only thing with this is, of course, you can't remove this strap and wear this as a belt by itself. I do like the gold hardware on it. As far as the inside of it, this is big enough just to fit like maybe a small wallet, as well as a cell phone or maybe a lip gloss or lipstick. But the inside of it just has like the one pocket. So I feel like if you're wearing something like this, you are gonna wear it on a day where you just want to be a minimalist. And yeah, this is the two purses that I was able to get from TJ Maxx. And of course, like, brown just goes with anything. So I also picked up a facial wash. I wanted something that was going to be more foaming. This is from Mario Badescu. This is a glycolic foaming cleanser. This is going to be for all skin types. It's formulated with glycolic acid, has chamomile, marshmallow, sage. I don't know what St. John's wort is, or yarrow, but I have already used this cleanser and I have super sensitive skin. I did not react to it. I am familiar with using Mario Badescu products because I used to use them when I worked at Ulta. That's why this big behind bottle only being $16.99 was a no-brainer for me. So I just picked that up. Very super excited about it. I got this really cute Hello Kitty bow. So this is basically if you're taking a shower or you're doing a facial or doing your makeup, anything, you can use this to just basically hold your hair back. And it's pink, it's Hello Kitty, and it's cute. It's so me. So yeah, this is really cute. This was only $6.99. So that is all that I got from TJ Maxx. The next store that I went to was Five and Below. You guys know I love Five and Below. They're like a step above the Dollar Tree, but they have really, really good stuff. So let me tell you what I got. My sister just recently got a pool, and I am going to be maxing and relaxing in her pool this summer because I just don't like swimming at my apartment complex because there's so many people trying to like gather at the pool. And the last time I went, it was just me by myself, and within 10 minutes there was like 15 people out there in the pool. So I like the fact that I can go to her house and just be relaxed. I got me a new pool floaty. So this is so cute. It's a sun tarot card. I didn't even know it was a tarot card. I just saw the little flamingo and I just thought that was so super cute. So everything that I got from Five and Below was only $5. I also picked up this really cute beach towel. So as you can see, I'll let you see the little picture of it. It's in the shape of a watermelon, and that is so cute. Of course, it's gonna be so hot outside, so you're gonna need a fan. This was so cute. I'm pretty sure you can find them on Amazon, but it was very convenient for me to get it from the store while I was there. This is a Whirlwind. It's a personal cooling fan. It just basically has a USB charger. It's got 3 speeds. Handheld, rechargeable, won't tangle in your hair or jewelry. Very, very convenient. So if you're gonna be outside at the beach, they came in about 5 different colors. I got pink because I just think pink is such a festive color. And the last thing that I got, you guys know I love anime. I've been looking at this shirt for a couple, but I've gone into I've gone into Five and Below a couple times, and I've seen this JoJo's Bizarre Adventure shirt, and I just had to have it. I have a pair of pink Vans that it would just go perfect with for the summertime. Pink is just such a fun girly color. So that is all that I got from Five and Below. So if a lot of you guys are familiar with Gabe's is a store that used to be called Rugged Warehouse back in the day, where you could find a lot of fashionable clothing. You could find things like Juicy Couture, Champion, Polo, Adidas, Nike, things like that, and it all comes at a discounted price. So of course, I needed some new clothes. Now, if you're gang, I always say that, then you know a couple months ago I went to H&M with my friend Mark, and I was looking for a specific type of t-shirt, and I couldn't find them, and the only places that had them was Zara, and I just, $20 for a t-shirt, just, that ain't me, unless I really have it to spend. But I found them finally at Gabe's, and I got all colors. So it's pretty much, I guess, a high rise t-shirt, but I just love the way it looks with jewelry, and oh my gosh, I just had to have them in all colors. So I got gray, I got a white one, I got a black one, and then I got this really cute blush pink color. So they were all $3.99 a piece, which I feel like you cannot beat that. I also got another pair of pants. I got a pair of skinny jeans. I got another pair of skinny jeans. These leggings were really cute. There were 2 of them for $7. Just a regular black pair of leggings. I wear them to work. And this was the thing that I was most excited about because I got this really pretty yellow dress, and it's very long. It goes all the way down to my ankles, but it's just so pretty and so festive. I wasn't sure what size to get, and I know sometimes this material is not as stretchy as it could be. So what size? I think I got a 1X. No, I got a 2X in this, which is probably, I typically wear between an extra large and a 1X, so it might be a little bit big. I'm not opposed to that because there are the straps and I can adjust it. So I got 2 pair of jeans, 4 shirts, 2 pair of leggings, and a dress, and I only paid $58. $58. Like, you couldn't beat that. So, in the beginning of the video, I told you guys that there is going to be 2 products. One everybody knows about. The other one was blown up on TikTok. So the first one I'm going to show you is the one that was blown up on TikTok. So if you are familiar with the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, then you know exactly what I'm talking about, because last year this specific lotion blew up all over TikTok. The Brazilian Bum Bum Cream is $50 at Sephora, and if you don't want to spend the money, they have at Trader Joe's the Brazilian Nut Body Butter. So this went viral last year. I tried to get my hands on it. I could not get my hands on it because it was not in season anymore during the time that it went viral. So to prevent that from happening again, I got 4 of them. They were only $5.99 a piece, so I don't think that is too overpriced for a lotion, but I don't know what it smells like. So this is crazy because I brought like 4 of them and I don't know what they smell like. So we're gonna try it right now, and I'm gonna tell you whether or not it was worth it, because if I don't like it, then I'll just give the other ones away. I really didn't spend a whole lot of money, but I'm excited to try it. So here goes nothing. Okay, so it doesn't smell bad at all. Let's see. To me, it has like a cologne kind of scent to it. Now, it smells good. It feels good on the body and feels good on the hands. I'm not familiar with the Bum Bum Cream, so I don't know what that smells like, but they said this was a pretty damn good dupe. So we are going to, when I get time to go to Sephora, because I do have to go to the mall later on this week, I will check out and see what the similarities are, but I will say it's very moisturizing. I like the way that it feels on the body. It has a salted caramel and pistachio scent, which I love, but it also smells like men's cologne a little bit. It's got acai and guarana extracts in it. So of course, because it's very lightweight, I can tell that it does have a lot of water in it and it's not super thick. I don't like anything heavy, greasy. That's just not my style. I think I made a good decision, but if my mom or my sisters want one, I don't mind giving it up. But yeah, I got 4 of them, and this would be something that I would recommend. If there's a Trader Joe's in your area, stop by and grab it, because freaking most people wear Bath and Body Works lotion. I like the fact that it does not smell like vanilla, because I absolutely hate vanilla scented things. But this is something that I would say would be a great go-to. So, the last and the final thing that I'm going to share with you guys, I have been dying to get my hands on these. I started back in the gym yesterday. I have had my gym membership for about 5 years, and I said, you know, I don't really go. I should cancel it. Everybody's been telling me to cancel it, but I said, if I don't go by the end of May, I will cancel it. But the only way that I will go is if I get me some Beat headphones. And so, boom. I got me some Beat headphones, but I got the Beat headphones that I have been eyeing for over a year. This is the Mickey 90th Anniversary Edition. I got them off of Amazon. They were $220, I believe, but they are like the cutest freaking headphones ever. We're gonna do a little unboxing real quick. So I love the packaging. It's just, you know, it's Mickey Mouse. And I'm not a Mickey fanatic like that, but I do like some things Mickey. Of course, you guys know that I am straight anime. That is my thing. But I haven't seen any anime headphones from Beats yet. So when you open them up, of course, you're going to get a Mickey 90th Anniversary pin, which is so stinking cute. I love that. And then you also get the headphone case that it comes in, and it has the Mickey 90th Anniversary on it. So, well, actually it has the Disney Mickey logo, and it's got the Beats logo. And then when you open them up, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I love these headphones. They have 1, 2, 3, 4 Mickeys on them, and they're so cute. And when you turn them on at the bottom, I don't know, you probably can't see, but they light up. But I did use them. I took them to pretty much work out in yesterday, and I watched my K-dramas the whole entire time that I worked out. So they're not super lightweight. They're actually pretty heavy, but you know, they're good quality headphones. So just keep in mind, Beats, to me, I always thought they were unnecessarily expensive, but they are really good quality. Of course, on the inside, you get like the instructions, you get a little Mickey sticker. I'm not gonna use that. I'm a grown woman. But you get the sticker, and you're gonna get the charger that goes with it. You also get, I don't know what this is, but it has like a little telephone on it. And then they give you one of those little hooks. So I'm assuming you can hook that on the case. But yeah, guys, I got me some Beats. So anyway, that is it. That is all for this haul. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, sticking it out, thugging it out with me as usual. If you have not already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the family. And I am just going to get back into my TV shows because I'm off today and I've had a very productive day. I went and got breakfast and I went to Trader Joe's, of course. But like I said, I will make a video sometime later this week comparing the Bum Bum Cream to this Brazilian nut butter and tell you guys my honest opinion of whether I think it's comparable, because I don't know. But I do know that for $5.99 a piece, you get a good amount. It smells good. It feels good on the skin. So I hope you guys have an amazing, productive day, and I will see you in my next video.